Welcome to Ubrain TV. I'm Nobuko Kashiwagi reporting from Malaysia, and I'm speaking to Simon and Martin of Nitto. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, first of all, please tell us about Nitto.
Okay, Nitto is a LED groups of companies. We are producing lightings for automotive industry, for the OEM, and also we are also producing lighting for various industry. Okay, so we started with the OEM of these lightings for the backlights. So we supply to most of the company like Toyota, Nissan, and a few other good brands for more than 10 years plus.
Yes.
Yeah, backlights, especially backlight like the high-end car in Japanese like Toyota Crowns, Lexus. So these are all the lights that we produce.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, can you please introduce some of your products to us?
Okay, sure. So Martin will share with you
Okay.
what the product we are producing
Okay.
for Japan market.
We actually have got two different sections. One is basically for the commercial industrial products, and of course the other one which will be for the consumer. Now, if you look at the name Nitto, sounds very Japanese.
Yes.
Now, how did the name came up was because we had our first products, which is the high bay light, which I will show you later on, and this was actually manufactured specifically for the Japanese market. To date, we have already shipped more than 5,000 units to Japan. All right, so if you do walk around in Japan, if you see a light similar like what we're going to show you, it's from us. Okay. Now, these are the two. This is specifically the product, which is the high bay light, and this was the first product that we produced for the Japanese market. Now, what is the high bay? If you go to warehouses, factories, you will see those lights that are placed very high, and this is the high bay light, and this was specifically created for the Japanese market. Of course, all right, we know that Japan is very well known for their strict control measures and quality, and we are very proud, okay, that we're able to produce something for them, all right, and this was our first product, okay. Eventually, we went on to the other one, which is the floodlight, yeah, and floodlight is basically a product whereby if you look at all the signages, buildings, when they have a flood, a light that will shine towards the building. This is a floodlight.
I see.
All right. The other one, which we are very proud to be, is actually right now our flagship product will be the street lights. All right. Yes, street lights. And you know the traditional, conventional street lights that are in the market. You have those orange color. They are called sodium lights or metal halide, which is the white color one. Now, although they are bright, but the environmental hazard of it is not too good because it's been both sodium and metal halide. They have got mercury content.
Oh, I see.
Okay, that's number one. Number two, as far as the environment is concerned, the consumption, the energy consumption is very high. Typically, an LED street light will consume more than 40% less energy than the sodium light. So that's the first thing. And the second factor is that is the durability. It lasts something like probably 50,000 hours, which if you on it for 12 hours, it will probably take you more than 10 years. All right, and of course with that thing, it will have an effect towards the environment. Energy consumption, you don't have to replace. Okay, and that's one why LED today is a far more efficient in many factors. Now we'll bring you over to the section where I will show you some of the products that we have for the domestic or more of the consumer base.
Yes.
Now this typically the T8 or this replacement for fluorescent lights. Okay. Now many people have a concept that fluorescent lights are energy saving, but in actual fact they consume quite a lot of electricity because it's just not the voltage on the tube, but there is also the transformer behind it. So normally on average they will go around to 40 to 50 watts. Okay, now ours an LED is a consumption of 7 watts, so you do the arithmetic. 7 watt against 40 to 50 watts. All right.
Huge difference.
Yeah, that's a huge difference. And this is the typical bulb. We have got 3 colors. All right, and again, bulb like that is the voltage only 4 watt. 4 as compared to a 60, 180 watt or 100 watt for the matter. And we have also the down light, which is in most offices they will put down lights like this. Okay, So this is another range, and we also have another range here, which a lot of people right now, they like to put compound, in their compound, a garden light.
Oh,
All right,
lighting,
compound
yeah.
lighting. So this acts as a compound lighting, and we have already a couple of units sent to Germany where they have tested it as for their street lights. Okay, and probably lastly, I would just like to show you, if you could recall earlier on, I showed you the high bay light, the big
Yes,
unit one.
yes.
We came out with a new generation right now. This is
Wow.
the latest generation. All right, and it's lighter, more efficient. Okay. Now, if you notice that we don't go very much into a full product range of the consumer, for one very simple reason. In Nitto, we believe a lot in selecting our customers. We provide quality products. We do not want to be a commodity player. Okay, of course, there are a lot of commodities. Cheap LEDs are very cheap nowadays. Okay, but for us, all our products comes with warranty, 3 years, 5 years, and we can even go to the extent of 8 to 10 years.
I see. Thank you very much. And now back to you, Simon.
Yeah.
Can you tell us where you see Nitto in 10 years' time from now?
Okay, in 10 years' time, I believe Nitto will be a well-branded LED manufacturer, and our product will be well-known throughout the world.
So at the moment you sell mainly in Japan or to your Japanese clients such as Toyota and Nissan, but you'd like to see it going global into Europe
Yes,
and
to Europe, to South Asia, and also, of course, locally. It's we want to be a local branded type of manufacturer also.
Well, thank you very much, Martin and Simon, for joining us today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.